Welcome to Module 8. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to safely withdraw money from Coinbase, whether you want to cash out to your bank, move crypto to another exchange, swap into stable coins, or simply secure your profits. By the end of this module, you'll know exactly how to get your money out of Coinbase without mistakes or delays. Two types of withdrawals. There are only two ways to withdraw money from Coinbase. Cash withdrawal, converting crypto to USD to your bank account. Crypto withdrawal, sending your crypto from Coinbase to another wallet or exchange. Each one has its own steps and safety rules, so we'll cover both. How to cash out to your bank account. If you want your money in your bank, follow this. Open Coinbase, tap Portfolio, select the crypto you want to cash out. Tap Sell, choose USD as the received currency. Confirm the sale, tap Withdraw Funds, choose your linked bank, confirm withdrawal. Coinbase will show estimated arrival time, amount you'll receive, any fees involved. Important: cash withdrawals must go to a bank account in your name. Standard withdrawal versus instant withdrawal. You'll usually see two options. Standard withdrawal, 2 to 5 business days. No extra fee or small fee. Uses ACH transfer in the US. Instant withdrawal arrives in minutes, higher fee, works with debit cards or eligible bank accounts. Use instant only when you need speed. Use standard when you want to save on fees. How to withdraw crypto to another wallet. If you're sending crypto off Coinbase, tap Pay. Tap Send, choose the crypto, paste the wallet address, select the correct network, review fees, confirm the withdrawal. Once sent, Coinbase provides a transaction ID, confirmation status, network details. This transfer is permanent, so double check everything. Network selection rules. Crypto withdrawals must use the correct network. ETH has to use the Ethereum network. USDC can use Ethereum, Base, or Solana, but you must match the receiver. BTC only can use the Bitcoin network. Solana, you can use the Solana network. Sending to the wrong network can cause permanent loss, so always verify what chain your receiving wallet uses. Withdrawal holds and restrictions. Sometimes Coinbase places a temporary hold on new deposits before allowing withdrawal, and the reasons can include fraud protection, bank processing delays, high volume market swings, security verification. These holds clear automatically. Coinbase cannot manually override them. This is normal, especially for new accounts. Taxes and tracking your gains. When you cash out crypto, it is considered a taxable event. Coinbase provides 1099 documents. You can download your full transaction history under reports. This module isn't tax advice, but it's important to understand that withdrawals can have tax implications depending on your country. Best practices for safe withdrawals. To stay protected, always verify the wallet address. Check the network twice. Start with a small test withdrawal for large amounts. Keep enough crypto to cover withdrawal fees. Never rush when transferring funds. Only withdraw to accounts you own. A calm withdrawal is a safe withdrawal. When you should withdraw. Here are common situations where a withdrawal makes sense. Moving to long-term cold storage, sending to a staking platform, consolidating crypto to another exchange, taking profits into USD, preparing funds for bills or purchases. Withdrawing is normal. It's a part of managing your crypto strategy responsibly. This completes Module 8, how to withdraw your money safely. You now understand how to cash out your crypto, how to send crypto to another wallet, how withdrawal fees work, how to avoid mistakes, and how to protect your funds.